We're out here. Got your boy Orton. Let's see the mohawk, Orton. How you feeling, man? Let's go. Drippy. Drippy. Yeah, anyway, we're about to get some photos out here. Just walking the streets of Austin, Texas. Probably do 2 looks today. One look more street, a little bit more dressed up on the second one. So I'm gonna be doing a POV. I got my GoPro strapped in. I know you're sweet. Hey, hey, let's go. Woo. So I'm gonna frame it. I'm gonna frame it just straight up and down. So you want to be right in the middle, kind of leaning against the door.
So today we're gonna be focusing on trying to get really cool compositions. We're shooting with natural light. I got the Canon R5 and the 28-70, and we're just gonna walk around, see what we can find, and try to get some cool photos. So enjoy the ride.
Do what you do. Let's go to the street. Let's go across the street. Right now. You don't like this wall? You wanna use this wall right here? Yeah, let me see. Do one of these? Yeah, cross the foot over. Yep. Let's do one like this though. Like you can step away from the wall a little bit and you're like walking this way. You can like do like a walk and kind of look. There it is. So think, yeah. But I want you to pause too. Like so with that right foot, you'll step with that right foot and look to your left. Yeah. I want you sweet.
I like that.
Like the way it goes up right there?
Yeah, bro, I like that. One of my friends just photographed that once of like the building.
If you want, I may be able to get, like if you're here, I can shoot up this way. Like shoot up and try to get some of those lines going up.
Okay.
It's gonna take me getting on the floor, but I'm not against it. Let's see. That's perfect. Oh, this shadow's dope, bro. I love it. Offset your legs, bring one higher than the other. Oh yeah, or drop the other one, yeah. Dope. You can just drop it down, let it hang. Okay, I want to take that same shot with a different lens. Give me a sec. Because I was shooting at about 50, 70. Now I'm gonna try shooting at like there you go, that's it, that's perfect. All right, that's lit. What? What's he talking about? What's he doing? Yeah, I think I may stay at this this focal length. Oh yeah, you gonna climb? Let's go. Another outfit change here. Orton is putting the blazer on. He's got the blazer, looking good. Orton, show off for the people, man. Have a look. Hey, hey. We got the drip. He got the drip. We about to. So, what we're about to do next is there's a little railroad here. I don't know if we can actually take pictures there, but we're about to find out. And then there's another area right over here that I want to use as well. So we're just gonna play around and see what we can get. So, is this an active railroad? Do you know?
Bro, if it is, the fucking thing's gonna close. We're
gonna be stuck. All right.
No, we gonna.
Let's make this quick then.
Bro, if it is, this is gonna close.
Stand right here at the end, at the very end, like right in the middle. I don't know if I like that contrast between the light. Let's do this side, because that's all in shadow back there and I can't really see it because it's dark. I can work with that.
Where this at?
All right.
Until.
Jeez.
I'm ready to take a picture of the
Come on. And then, oh, that's lit. I love that. When you're looking that way, the sun is hitting your face perfectly. Let me get you right here, like right in the middle of this right here. This like railing. Standing at the top, don't step down though. And face me. Yo, that's it. And then stay right there. I'm gonna want you to do one. Can you do like something like this to the side or something? Does that work? It fits. Oh, you talking about the hat? Yeah, it does not. That's perfect, bro. I'm gonna drop this down low. Yo. Look right at me. Yes. We'll go this way. I love like downtown being right here and like being right in the middle of the street. Stand right here real quick. Let me see what I can get. Like right here in the middle.
Oh, you know what? See that yellow line?
Yeah.
It was like escaping the line somehow. I forget what it was. But I don't have that photo anymore. It's been so long.
I'll shoot you this way. I wish you were in the shade, but it's all good. I think this will be fine. And I think right there is fine. Actually, at the top, let's go to the top of the yellow line. So all the way at the end of it. And so we'll use the lines that are kind of leading right towards you. Right there at the top, perfect. Bust the move, bro. Hey, hey. Yup. Come on, get it. Do a squat. Yep. All right, we'll do a few more. I like these. I think you're gonna like these. Oh, yeah. Huh? Watch out, there's another car coming.
Like the track runner house.
Oh! Let's go, Warden. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You want to sit on the ledge? Let's get you sitting on the ledge. I'm gonna come over here. I may actually. I'm gonna switch sides because the sun's coming from this side, and I'm gonna get a lower angle here. We'll see what it looks like. And then I may climb up too and get a side angle shot, but I really like this. The colors are, I love these colors. That's it right there. That's it right there. That's it, that's perfect, bro. That's dope. All right, bro. Good shit, man. right, so we just wrapped up. Orden out here, showing us what it's like. How you feel, Orden?
I feel amazing. It's really great.
Yeah?
Sir.
Yeah, so we got some good photos. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up. It really helps out. And we'll see y'all in the next video.